pain is a common problem that can be caused by various factors such as injury, inflammation, and arthritis. Onions have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including knee pain. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of using onion for knee pain relief and show you how to do it. But before that, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this one. Now you may be wondering, why onion? And how can it get rid of my knee pain? Onions are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin helps reduce inflammation in the knee joint, which can lead to pain and stiffness. Onions also contain sulfur, which is essential for healthy joint function and may even help strengthen bones. In addition, onions are a natural source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from free radical damage. Using onion for knee pain relief is simple and easy. Here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Peel and slice an onion into thin pieces. Step 2. Place the onion slices on the affected knee, covering the entire area. Step 3. Wrap the knee with a bandage or cloth to keep the onion slices in place. Step 4. Leave the onion slices on the knee for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight if possible. Step 5. Repeat this process daily for 3 days or until you start to notice a reduction in knee pain. Here are some tips to keep in mind when using onion for knee pain relief. 1. Use fresh onions. Fresh onions are more potent and contain higher levels of quercetin and sulfur than older onions. 2. Use organic onions. Organic onions are free from harmful chemicals and pesticides, which can exacerbate inflammation. 3. Use a cloth or bandage. This will help keep the onion slices in place and prevent them from falling off. 4. Elevate your knee. Elevating your knee while using the onion slices can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Moreover, onion is known to have several benefits for joints due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are some of the benefits of onion for joints. 1. Reduces inflammation. Onions contain a compound called quercetin that has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of joint pain, and consuming onions can help reduce inflammation in the joints, providing relief from joint pain. 2. Boosts immunity. Onions are a rich source of vitamin C, which helps in building immunity. Strong immunity helps in fighting various diseases and infections that can cause joint pain. 3. Improves bone health. Onions contain sulfur compounds that can improve bone density and promote healthy bones. This can be beneficial in preventing osteoporosis, which is a condition where bones become weak and brittle. 4. Promotes cartilage health. Onions are also rich in sulfur-containing amino acids that are essential for the formation of cartilage. Cartilage acts as a cushion between the joints and protects them from damage. Consuming onions can help promote healthy cartilage and prevent joint damage. 5. Contains antioxidants. Onions are a natural source of antioxidants, which help in reducing oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can cause damage to the joints, leading to joint pain and inflammation. The antioxidants present in onions can help protect the joints from such damage. Before using onion for knee pain relief, it's essential to consult with your doctor, especially if you have an underlying knee condition. Also, avoid using onion slices on broken or irritated skin, as it can cause irritation and discomfort. In conclusion, onion can be a simple and effective remedy for knee pain relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties and sulfur content can help reduce inflammation in the knee joint and promote healthy joint function. Remember to follow the tips and precautions we've discussed and consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies. With consistent use, onion can help relieve knee pain and improve your quality of life. Give it a try and let us know in the comments below if you have found that simple home remedy helpful. Thanks for watching. Please drop us a like and subscribe to our channel for more natural home remedies.